All right, hello everyone. Welcome to today's comic book lesson. I'm Mr. Mckenzie, and today we are going to learn how to draw one of the most iconic hairstyles in the world of comics and anime, Gohan's spiky hair from Dragon Ball Z. So get your pencils and paper ready, and let's dive into the exciting world of spiky hairstyles. All right, before we start, let's quickly go over what you'll need for this lesson. You'll need pencils, preferably HB for light sketching, and 2B for darker lines. A rubber, because mistakes are part of the process. A sharpener, keep your pencils pointy, nice and sharp. Drawing paper or a sketchbook, and if you like, some colored pencils or markers to add color later on. Okay, are we ready? Great. Let's get started with a brief overview of what we'll be drawing today. So Gohan's hair is a great example of a dynamic, spiky hairstyle. It's full of energy and character, which makes it perfect for our lesson. We'll break down this hairstyle into simple steps, starting with basic shapes and gradually adding details. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to draw Gohan's hair and apply these techniques to your own characters. Let's start by sketching the basic shape of the head. Remember, this is just a guideline, so keep your lines light. Draw an oval shape for the head and add a vertical line down the middle, and then a horizontal line where the eyes will be. This will help us position the hair correctly. Good, good. Next, we'll outline the hairline. Gohan's hairline is quite distinctive with a peak in the middle. So draw a slight V shape at the top of the forehead. And then from this point, we'll start sketching the large primary spikes that define his hairstyle. Okay. When drawing the spikes, think about the flow and direction of the hair. Each spike should start from the hairline and extend outward. They should be uneven and varied in size to give a natural look. So let's start with the central spike, which is the largest, and then add the side spikes after that.